I found this kid's YouTube account that got 300,000 subscribers with just 15 videos, and every single one of them has over 10 million views. This simple AI-powered channel makes up to $20,000 every single month. So I asked myself, can I clone this channel using only free AI tools, and more importantly, can you do it too? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step process I used to build a fully AI-generated kids channel from scratch. No expensive software, no design skills, just free tools and a bit of creativity. We'll create a main character, write stories, generate visuals, animate them using free AI tools, and add voice, music, and sound effects. Then we'll combine everything in CapCut and finally upload our first video to a brand new YouTube channel with a name, logo, and optimized description. Let's start by looking at why these types of channels work so well. Step 1. Understanding the formula of viral AI kids channels. Channels like Little Margot Stories, Rabbit's Journey, and Super Emotional Stories are exploding right now. Millions of views, hundreds of thousands in monthly revenue. But what do they have in common? 1. A consistent, recognizable main character. Rabbit's Journey has that little bunny exploring nature. Little Margot follows a cute girl in everyday situations. Their character appears in every video. Kids recognize them, get attached, and keep watching. 2. Simple short stories. There's no complex dialogue. It's just visual storytelling, what the character does, where they go, what happens to them. 3. Cute visuals with smooth animation. They don't look like slideshows, they move, they breathe. That's the magic part, and I'll show you how to create it too. Step 2. Creating our own character and niche. So the first step is deciding what kind of character you want to build your channel around. Since we're going the AI route, we need something that's both adorable and easy to generate consistently. I picked a little puppy, friendly, curious, always exploring. It's simple, kids love dogs, and we can make endless storylines around it. You can do this with any animal, cat, fox, bunny. It just needs to have a clear design and vibe. I put in an image of the little Margot, so ChatGPT understand my vibe and what I want in my images. Cartoon images for kids. So I described what I wanted. We will first just start to create our character. No story, just the plain cute animal that will be your character. Type in a small, fluffy white puppy with big eyes wearing a red scarf, friendly and always looking around curiously in the style of the image that I gave you. With the new update, ChatGPT will generate an image in your style. I mean, isn't this little dog super cute? It's not important if you like it, just ask yourself if kids would enjoy looking at this little dog. And with that, we got our character for the videos by typing one little prompt. Next, take your image and let's move to step 3. Writing the first story with ChatGPT, but not like a novel. We'll use ChatGPT to write them, but not just any random prompt. Here's what I do. I start by telling ChatGPT my main character and the vibe I want. For example, I want to create YouTube videos for my kids' channel. You created my main character, this little dog. Now write a short story for kids with no dialogue, about a small puppy who gets lost in the forest and meets other animals on the way back home. Make it visual and emotional, and boom, ChatGPT gives me a full plotline in seconds. The puppy chases a butterfly too far and gets separated from its home. Along the way, it meets different animals, a playful squirrel and a gentle deer. Each animal helps him move forward until he finally sees his little doghouse in the distance. Perfect. That's all I need. And here's the cool part. I can generate a whole series of stories like this. Some in the forest, some in the snow, some at the beach. All centered around the same dog. This allows me to batch content and keep the channel consistent. Step 3. Creating consistent images with ChatGPT. Here's where it gets powerful. We're going to create every single scene using ChatGPT-generated prompts. But instead of just typing "dog in forest," we do something smarter. We show ChatGPT what kind of style we want. I already gave you the style of images I like, and you created my dog. Can you now create images for the script that you created for me using my dog in it? It should be around 8 images that I could combine to a longer video. Using this, you can not only generate random images that look perfect, you can also generate images with consistent character that fit to your story. That means we don't need to use another AI tool for the image generation. After getting our first image of the story, we can just ask ChatGPT for more images with the same characters. These are amazing. And the new ChatGPT update is really a game changer for everybody that wants to create videos like this. It will never be this easy to generate any visuals for your videos, and this is all for free. We generated our visuals for our videos, and now it's time to transform them into videos. Step 4. Animating with Kling AI. We're using Kling AI, one of the best free tools for AI animation. You get a few free generations every day, and if you want to save money, just create multiple accounts to transform your images into videos. I start by uploading my first image and give Kling a prompt like, make the dog slowly walk across the forest path. Soft camera movement, calm and slow. I select 10 seconds of video and get a video like this. Then I input another image and put in another prompt. The puppy stops, looks at the squirrel, wags its tail. Soft, cinematic light. Just input all your images that you created and transform them into crazy-looking videos for completely free. This is the AI that every AI video that you see online uses to create their videos. You see how smooth this is? No slideshow. This looks like an actual animated short. Yes, Kling takes time, but it's worth it. This is what separates a viral kids channel from a forgettable one. Okay, now step 5, the sound effects. If you look at the videos of little Margot stories, you notice that it's not only the visuals that catch the attention of the little kids, it's also the sounds. From a soundtrack in the background to sound effects that will make your videos stand out even more. It really changes a normal video to a video that gets millions of views. For music, I go to pixabay.com and search for things like gentle lullaby or kids background soft piano. Make sure it's royalty-free. Then I head over to 11 Labs Sound Effects. Here you can generate custom sound effects that fit perfectly to your video. I generate things like dog footsteps on dirt path, bird sounds in the forest, wind blowing through trees, puppy barking softly, and listen to these. Instead of looking for hours to find fitting sound effects in the internet, you can create your own sounds that will make your video perfect. Suddenly, this isn't just a cute animation anymore. It's immersive, it feels alive, and kids love this kind of detail. And with that, we have everything that we need for our video and can head to step 6, creating the video with CapCut. CapCut is free, easy to use, and gives you everything you need. Here's what I do. Import all the Kling AI clips and do it in the right order. Just put the clips behind each other and add soft transitions between scenes. Don't forget this is for kids, so don't make it too fast. Just use simple transitions between the videos to make it smooth, then add the music as a base layer. You can also choose music from the CapCut library if you want to. Put it under your visuals and turn down the volume a little bit. Then layer in all the sound effects at the right moments, the dog steps when entering the forest, and the bird sounds after that. Just sort it, however it makes sense, and even overlay different sound effects. Just don't spam them. Don't over-edit. Kids don't need flashy effects, just smooth visuals, calm pacing, and a soothing vibe. I also add captions like Episode 1, The Puppy's Forest Adventure, as the title at the beginning, but that's just something that I like to add. And that's it, we have our video are ready to upload. I already set up the channel beforehand with a clean name, a cute dog logo, and matching banner art. If you want to learn how to do that step by step, go check out one of my last videos where I walk you through how to brand a channel from scratch using AI. Today, we're skipping all that and jumping straight to the upload because I want this video to perform. So I asked ChatGPT, give me a viral YouTube title that will attract parents and kids, describe the story, and trigger curiosity, but still stay wholesome. And you can also use a title that already worked as an example here. It gave me this. So I copy this title and head back to YouTube. For the thumbnail, it's enough to use an engaging image from the video. This is really enough and kids will click on it without you needing to create a thumbnail for hours. Then I had it write a full video description, including keywords like cute puppy story, animated animal video, short cartoon for kids, calm story time, etc. And it even wrote a nice CTA, subscribe for more calming adventures with our little puppy. Next, I asked ChatGPT to generate the best upload time based on when parents are most likely to put their kids in front of YouTube. It said between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. on weekends, so I scheduled it for Sunday morning. But here's the part that actually helps us go viral. I had ChatGPT generate the pinned comment, the hashtags, and with that, the video is on the perfect way to get your first million views. Super clean, no clutter, just good visuals. Now everything's in place. We hit publish, and now we wait. Now it's up to YouTube. Maybe the video gets 100 views, maybe 100,000. But the important part is we actually made it. I just showed you exactly how to build this from scratch. If you want a full breakdown on setting up the channel, name, logo, and all that, check out the previous video where I explain it in more detail. Thanks for watching, and if this inspired you, go build something cool. I'll see you in the next one.